I invite Mr. Kamau Karoli to address you on the issue of 183, and I thank you.
Senior Counsel, before maybe you see it, we have received information that your side is going to present 2 videos and a PowerPoint presentation. The first video will take 4 minutes, the second video 14 seconds, and the PowerPoint presentation, which has 28 slides. We don't know how long it will take, but just to warn you that that is within your time.
Most obliged.
Your time will be taken into consideration. We will not lose time like we did yesterday. We are very keen.
Most obliged, my lady.
May I please, my lady, the Chief Justice and judges of this court, and good morning. My lady and my lords, I will be addressing you on mainly on the issues surrounding Article 138 of the Constitution. And my ladies and my lords, the reason why we are starting from there, and which is right about where my learned senior left it off, is that there are many allegations that have been made in this petition. In fact, that seems to be the main issue surrounding these petitions, regarding the manner in which the functions set out in Article 138.3 and 138.10 were conducted. One of the allegations that has been made is the chairman unilaterally tallied, verified, and declared the results of the presidential elections, that there was a requirement for a complete corporate process of internal tallying and approval by the commissioners, and that the chairperson can only act with the concurrence of the commissioners. Now, it's my submission that the reason why these submissions are being made is based on a confusion that stems from a misunderstanding of the nature and character of the commission and the interplay between the commission, the functions bestowed on the commission, and those cast upon the chairman of the commission. So first of all, the question that comes up is, who is the commission? And my learned friend, Senior, has alluded to it briefly, but let me just make this distinction because it is important. The commission, IBC commission, is established like all the other independent commissions under the provisions of Article 250 of the Constitution. But more importantly, and this is the distinction that I think is important to draw, if you look at what Article 250 talks about, 251 says each commission shall consist of at least 3 but not more than 9 members. The next one says the chairperson and each member of a commission, so that these commissioners are members of the commission, they are not the commission. So that where the law refers to the commission, it is not referring to the commissioners, but it is referring to the body corporate that my learned senior referred to, and which is established or under the provisions of Article 253 of the Constitution, which says that each commission is a body corporate with perpetual succession and a seal. So where in Article 138 reference is made to the commission, it is that body corporate that is referred to. And this is amplified by the provisions of Sections 11 of the IBC Act. My lords and my ladies, Section 11.2 of the Act establishes the Secretariat and the Commission, so that the Commission consists of the commissioners, the chairman and the commissioners, and the Secretariat. Then 11.2a defines who the Secretariat is as such professional, technical, and administrative officers and support staff as may be appointed by the Commission in the discharge of its functions under this Act. And B, very critical also, such public officers as may be seconded to the Commission upon its request. This is what comprises the Commission. And then, what is the role that the commissioners are supposed to play? Well, Section 11A of the IBC Act then says that the chairperson and members of the commission, again members of the commission, shall perform their functions in accordance with the Constitution and in particular shall be responsible for the formulation of policy and strategy of the commission and oversight. Those are the three roles that are specified in the statute: provide or formulate policy, strategy, and oversight. That is the role that they play. Then the Secretariat shall perform the day-to-day administrative functions of the Commission and implement the policies and strategies formulated by the Commission. So this then brings me to the provisions of Article 138, 3C, which is at play in these petitions. And it's important, my lords and my ladies, to read what the provisions of that section say. And the reason why I go straight to that provision is because the petitioners are using that provision to say that the provision requires the commissioners to be involved in the process of tallying, verifying, and declaration of the results. But what 138.3c says is that in a presidential election, after counting the votes, these are the words they leave out, after counting the votes in the polling stations. This is about the polling stations. In the polling station, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission shall tally and verify the count and declare the result. So this section refers to what happens at the polling station. My lords and my ladies, there are over 40,000 polling stations in Kenya. It is not conceivable that the 7